Hello everyone, I am Professor S.N. Mane, Assistant Professor Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nashik. Today we will learn about quality, what are the different components of the quality and factors affecting quality. So let's start. What is mean by quality? Quality is nothing but a measure of degree of excellence or the acceptability by the consumer. Now, this quality, it is get divided into two types. That is, first one is the physical parameters and second one is the chemical components. Now, these physical parameters are size, then shape, color, defects, then texture, pulp to fruit ratio, and the seal. These are coming under the physical parameters. Whereas chemical components or the chemical parameters are the flavor, then nutritional value, in which you can say vitamins, then different minerals, sugar, acids, then proteins, lipids. Okay, these are coming under the chemical components. Now, we will see in detail about the physical parameters, in which first of all, we go through the size and shape. Now, size and shape, it is very important parameters in order to contribute to the appearance of a particular fresh produce. Okay, by seeing its appearance, we can go for purchasing that commodity. Okay, now the shape, it is determined the losses in the trimming fruits and vegetables during the handling. See, after harvesting, there are number of mechanical handling methods are there, and there are the mechanical damages which are responsible for different post harvest losses. Okay, so when we go for the purchasing a particular fruit or vegetables, okay, what its shape, it indicates that which kind of the losses which are occurs in the, whether it is occurs in the trimming of that particular fruit or vegetable during the handling or not. Okay, it can be measured with the manual operations like human judgment, or different equipments are used for measuring their size and shape, like vernier caliper, then micrometer screw gauge, and also another instrument is the planimeter. Then another physical parameter is the color. Color is also very much important for the fresh market. See, the surface color is important for what purpose? Fresh marketing, and whereas the internal color, it is important for the processing purpose. Now, see, sometimes green color, it is get indicative in the insufficient ripening of the particular fruit or fruits. Okay, but it is a very much desirable attribute in case of the vegetables. Okay, when we see the dark green color of the vegetables, then we purchase that vegetables. Okay, but in other condition, green color of the fruit, it is responsible, or it indicates that it is unripe condition of that fruit. Okay, this measurement of the surface color, it is represents the many problems. When see, when the unit size of a particular commodity, it is a large, like mango, then citrus, okay, then sweet orange, okay, or the apple. In such a condition, we have to take a, sorry, individual fruit which we have to measure. Okay, and for example, there are small size of the commodity like grapes, then jamuns are there. In that case, we have to select a representative sample from that lot and then measure the color of that particular fruit or vegetable. Okay, then there are different instruments which are used for the color measurement, like Hunter color difference meter, the Spectronic 20 and the spectrophotometer. These are the two instruments which are used for the measuring the color of a particular fruit or vegetables. It may be large fruit or it may be a small size commodities. Then next physical parameter is the defect. See, the defects in the particular fruit or vegetable, it get develops due to some mechanical damage or improper handling of that commodity, or sometimes there is the unfavorable condition of environment or other sources during their growth, or also genetic abnormalities, it is generated in that particular commodity. Now, the mechanical injury, it caused due to the mechanical handling and the transportation, like damage, then bruising, then compression, okay, then crushing, or sometimes insect or the disease attack, it is also there, or injury to that particular commodity. That's why it produces a specks on that particular fruit or vegetables. Then next is the pulp to fruit ratio. Now, this physical quality, it also refers to the pulp to fruit ratio in the mango, then lychee, custard apple, and the pomegranate. Now, next physical parameter is the texture. Now, texture is nothing but it is the arrangement of a particular particles in that commodity. It indicates the which kind of the texture they have. Okay. See, this texture it is can be judged by the hand and the mouth feel. Hand and mouth feel, it can be judged by the sense of a touch. This hand feel, it is a finger feel as firmness in case of the apples, then softness in case of the mango and plum, then juiciness in different commodities like citrus or the grapes. Now this mouth feel, it includes the sensory characteristics like chewiness, fibrousness, then grittiness, then mealiness and the stickiness. Okay, these kind of the characteristic you can test when you consume that particular fruit or vegetables. Then there are different instruments which are used for measurement of this texture like circulometer, then texture analyzer is there, okay, then tenderometer and the pressure tester. Okay, all these instruments, they measure the particular firmness of that commodity. Then last physical parameter is the seed characteristic. Okay, number of seeds or the characteristic of that seed is also important. Okay, see the less numbers and the small size desirable character you should have in the guava commodity. Then for the softness of the seed, it is should be possessed by the pomegranate. Okay, pomegranate it containing also number of seeds. Okay, but that seed it should be a soft. Okay, and in case of the guava, it should be less in numbers and it should have a desired characteristic. Then in case of the grape, you can prefer the seedless grapes. Okay, so these are some seed characteristic. On that basis, you can purchase that commodity, that fruit or vegetables. Then next, quality parameters of a particular fruit or vegetable under the chemical parameters is the first one is the flavor and next one is the nutritional quality. See, the flavor is nothing but a combination of a taste and smell. Okay, smell or you can say odor. Now, this test includes different kinds of tests like sweet test, sour test, bitter, then pungent test, okay, or astringent test. And smell, it is nothing but a fragrant, then caramel, then acidic or the burnt smell. Okay, so combination of this kind of the test as well as the smell, it is called as a flavor. Now, this off flavor, it may be due to sometimes enzymatic or the physiological or the chemical factors. This gas chromatographic technique, which are used in order to detect the flavor and estimate the volatile flavoring components. But this method or these instruments are very expensive. That's why sensory analysis, it is most of the time it is used for calculating or used for finding out the which kind of the flavor of that food product is there. Okay. So organoleptic test or you can say sensory analysis method, it is done in order to accept quality acceptance of a particular fruit or vegetables. Then next chemical parameter is the nutritional quality. See, all the fruit or vegetables, they are a high source of a different minerals or vitamins, then carbohydrate, then proteins, lipids, volatile compounds, etc. See, the vegetables are rich in protein. Then most of the important vitamins present in a fruit or vegetables is vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and the vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is also called as an ascorbic acid. Then other vitamins are also important in the minute form. Then minerals, these are essential for the proper maintenance of a health, in which mainly minerals are the calcium and iron. Now, the acids which are responsible for the sourness of the various fruit or vegetables, like that citric acid present in the citrus, then mango, guava, then malic acid present in the apple, okay, and then tartaric acid present in the grape and the tamarind. So, all these nutritional quality parameters are very important. So in this way, in this video lecture, we learn about the definition of quality, as quality is nothing but a degree of excellence or the acceptance by the consumer is called as a quality, and that quality it is divided into the physical parameters and the chemical parameters. So we have learned in details about which are the physical parameters, right from their size and shape up to the pulp and fruit ratio, and in the chemical parameters we learn about their flavor and the nutritional quality. So thank you for listening.